Hello friends, I'm going to I'm going to explain our today's topic on MS Word. Okay, in previous session we learn about how to open our MS Word. Okay, L- now let us see how to open a MS Word. Click on Start button, go to All Apps, then find the package Microsoft Office 2013 and find the package Word 2013. Okay, one window will be appear. Select your blank document. Okay, here one blank document is open. Okay, in previous session I am already explained about the file. Okay, then home and insert section and design section. Okay, now I am explaining in today's topic align left, at center, then align right, justify, and in insert section how to draw a table in your word book. Okay, now let us our main point. Here I am already open one document. Okay, this is our document, this is our word document. Okay, now let us revise some topics. Now I want to change this later. Okay, just select using mouse and change your font setting. Okay, like this. Okay, now I am adding some lines in my word document. Okay, now there is one setting at the bottom level, at a down. Okay, here plus and minus sign is there. Okay, when I click in this, the page is zoom out. When I click on positive sign, then the page is sign up. Okay, then at a second page I'm writing some paragraph. Okay, number system, like this one paragraph you write. Okay, let us practice on this paragraph, how to set the paragraph on Word. Now I want to change the color, then select this and change your color. Okay, now I want the space. Okay, on your keyboard one key is available, tab key. Okay, just press one tab, one tab key. Okay, here I want the spacing in between two lines. Just select these two lines. Okay, go into the line and paragraph spacing. Just click on that and see what happens. Okay, the space between first line and second line increases. Okay, like this. Okay, here I am setting 1.5 line spacing. Okay, I'm again selecting three lines, then again try 2 centimeter, try 1.5 centimeter. Okay, understand all of you? Then here I'm selecting some points like bullets. I want to give bullet. Just select the cursor, then select the bullet. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. Then again third octal number system, then click on bullet. Okay, like this. Okay, I want the different color and okay, like that. Okay, you understand all of you? Okay, then at a insert section, how to draw your table on the page. Okay, just move down using enter key. Okay, in a insert section. Okay, again see carefully, at a insert section the table function is available. Just click on table function, okay, and draw your table. Okay, just move mouse cursor down. Okay, I want 3 columns and 5 rows. Okay, here I'm type just serial number, then name, then address. Okay, understand? Okay, at a middle line, yes, you can arrange this table also. Okay, then our second point is, and write the data 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, if you want to delete the last row, one setting is there. Okay, just click on this side, then mouse right click button. Okay, go into delete cells and select the delete entire row and then press OK. The line is deleted. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, oh, you can move the table likewise. Okay, anywhere using select tool at the top corner. Okay, you see the plus sign. Okay, just select the table. Okay, then in insert section, the shapes also there. Suppose I want to add any shape, just click on shape, then select any shape. Okay, suppose I want a basic shape like this smiley face, just click on smiley face, one cursor is appear and just your smiley face. Okay, again I am drawing some shapes, like I want one rectangle, then again click on this and draw one rectangle. Okay, here some faces are there. Okay, black, blue. Okay, I want a black rectangle. That's it. Okay, understand all of you? Then I want to add one picture. Just click on picture, then okay, just select the appropriate picture. Okay, just I want one picture. Okay, suppose select one picture and insert that picture. Okay, it is so easy to add table, picture and shapes. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, suppose I want a word art. Okay, I want a word art. Then in insert section, function is available, word art. Okay, select any word art style. Suppose I want to select this style. Okay, suppose this style. Okay, here one text box is appear. Okay, right here your name or something. Okay, like this. You can increase and decrease your size, your font size. Suppose I want this big size 72. Understand all of you how to use home, insert. Okay, I'm already explaining these topics. Okay, then insert section, like you are adding the tables, pictures and shapes and word art. In and next topic I am explaining in next video, like your design themes, page layout, set the margin, set the size, set the orientation. Hope you all understand. Have a good day. Thank you.